Hello ladies and gentlemen, this is Jansen Fancher with MarineMax, Lake of the Ozarks, and I've got the deal of the century for you on this Aviara 32 stern drive. Got a massive swim platform back here, twin Elmore drives, hydraulic swim platform that comes up, got the extended sunshade up top there. Here on the transom, on the massive swim platform we've got here, you've got these ratchet style seats. These can ratchet up like that or down as you see fit. And then you've got these transom bar stools. Those are just on a gas strut that raise up. Trash can, nice little storage area here. We've got a sink, another large storage area. Let's not forget our custom Aviara Cordova cooler. Onto the helm. This is like an iPad that controls your boat. Simrad screen will be your maps. This will be your engine data. And then of course you've got everything here manual. Really nice, seamless dash. Of course our binnacles and then our Elmore joystick. Got a nice size head. And of course a very deep bow area here where all the kids will feel safe. And the parents will too, especially on those rough water weekends.